Yo, 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 what's up? What's up? Hope everyone is doing good. Welcome to TGIF. I know I missed you guys last week, but we're back. We're back. We're alive. We're alive. I got a little bit stuffy, so I'm like a bit congested, but we press on through to a good week of trading, hopefully. I didn't trade today. I didn't really trade that much this week, to be honest. First couple of days, yeah. Last couple of days, no. I felt, when you feel something coming on, and you're like, yeah, I know I'm gonna be cooked. So I'm like trying to get extra sleep in the morning so that I'm good. But yeah. So I was like getting some extra sleep because sleep is goated. So we'll take a look at the markets today and see what's popping and how we can set ourselves up for the week ahead. But we got some interesting stuff that happened. And of course, today, where I didn't decide to trade consciously, I'm like, yeah, even if there's a good setup, I'm not trading today. There was like a perfect A+ setup, which I sent you guys in the Outlook after. It was ridiculous. 15-minute time frame, I believe. It was super, super solid. But what up? Hope you guys are having an amazing day so far. We're going to get crack-a-lackin' right away. So let's go. Daily chart, NASDAQ. So here's what we got. Let's go 2, 3, 2, 1. Boom. All right. So we're here now. And we're going to take a look at the daily time frame. This is what we got. So daily time frame now has a daily fair value gap, which price is definitely going to want to go down to that at some point soon. We respected this daily over here. And so Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I was expecting a bullish run. We didn't get it Tuesday, right? From Wednesday, though, definitely. Wednesday, Thursday, solid. But I think Wednesday didn't deliver until the afternoon, so it was sort of weird. Wasn't the nicest to us, but we press on. So that's the daily imbalance. We got a daily break of structure as well, which is good to note, right? We broke structure to the upside. We have an order block, one candle order block, bigger than these two candles in the leg, so that's our order block. And continuation higher, respecting bullish imbalances. So for me, we're just going to keep pressing higher. Maybe we get, the next candle wicking down. And if we look at news, I don't know what's news looking like. May 1st. May 4th. May 4th. So the Star Wars Day. This is what we have. Oh wait, hold on. Let me drop this. Let me drop this in the channel. Let's get this going. All right. Let's drop this in the announcements. TGIF live now. There we go. That should work. All right. May the 4th be with you. Yep. Star Wars. You got it. All the Dorkazoids. May 5th, ISM PMI. Nothing too crazy. May 6th. I thought this said canola oil inventories. I was like, hold on. Now, crude oil. ADP, NFP. That's light work. We'll eat that. Then we got unemployment claims. Orange folder is kind of crazy, though. That's kind of crazy. Then we got NFP. So NFP, we're going to stay out of the market that day. Every day before that looks pretty chill. So I think we're good. All right. So knowing that, will we have enough volume to get down to this daily imbalance? Perhaps. Maybe not. Maybe we just keep pressing higher, right? So if we get bearish PO3, I'll trade into this imbalance. But honestly, you really want to be on the long side of the market here as much as you can be. So bullish days are what we want. So we go and we consider that. Okay. Obviously, we're still at all-time highs. So with the weekly, we got this weekly fair value gap now. We have a few weekly imbalances. So they're pretty significant. Like I can delete all of these dailies now. We can put it here. Got this fat weekly over here. Nice, fat and juicy weekly fair value gap. And then we got another one that looks extremely appetizing and ready for the taking. Wait, hold on. Let me not get carried away. Weekly fair value gap. Weekly break of structure. Now that we've taken all-time highs, we need to be aware that we may get continuation higher. I'm still bullish though. I'm gonna keep this from last week. There we go. We got that daily. So I have a feeling NFP is gonna bring us down to this weekly. To be honest, it makes sense. I have an idea. Let me start recording this. Will that work? There we go. Okay, cool. Yeah. So ignore all the comments I made about Nasdaq sounding like a sweet juicy burger. That was I can't lie. Oh my gosh, I wish I could show you guys something. Wait, hold on. Wait, hold up. Let me show you guys something. Am I allowed to show this? Yeah, I think so. Wait, is this? Where is it? I'm doing extensive research right now. I need to show you guys this. This is not the one. Is it not? Can't find it on... Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I just searched what I searched up. Let's go to TikTok. This might be better. Who's on? Yo, let's get some more people on. Let everyone know in the chat. Tell them to hop on. Get some information. Everyone should know better. I can't find the video, man. This is really pissing me off. Hold on. Okay, wait. Here we go. Lord have mercy. Yo, wait. Pastor just saw the Holy Spirit. Yo, I'm dead. Wait. All right, you guys ready? Yo, shit kills me.
Lord have mercy. Somebody pray for Pastor Earl. You tell him you can take the life.
Do you hear the reaction from the crowd? So when I thought, when I was looking at these thick weekly imbalances, that's all I was thinking about. Not about the woman, but I was thinking about that TikTok. Yo, yeah. Anyways, I'm clearly bored. Hey, this isn't for yo. Welcome, guys. So, yeah, big, fat, thick weekly imbalances are very attractive for Nasdaq, for Pastor Nasdaq to see this week. So, I'm bullish, but we definitely want to tap into some of these weekly imbalances before we do that. So, that is our thing, right? So that's Nasdaq. Anyways, look at this. Bearish call out on gold. Beautiful, amazing play. Great call out, guys. W's. W call out on TGIF. If only I had a way to get these recordings and send them to someone to edit them and make them into content that we could use for our Instagram page. Oh wait, guess what I'm doing? I'm recording this at the same time. Who's gonna edit them? I don't know. But we do have someone new in charge of our Instagram page, so let's see if they cook. And if they don't cook, then they'll be cooked. But I have a feeling they're gonna cook. All right, let's mark out. Let's do our markup. Did I do it for NQ? Hold on, let me chill for a sec. Previous week high, and then previous week low. The low is Tuesday for sure. There we go. Good, and then gold. Man, I miss trading gold. I can't lie. I think I'm cooking myself not trading gold. I'm gonna start trading gold again. This liquidity got taken out. Previous week low, down here. Previous day low over here. Previous day high over here. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Yeah, we go. Okay, so Monday is our previous week high. Previous week low is Wednesday. Daily fair value gap. We just broke structure to the downside. We got a daily fair value gap. Price is going lower. So we got liquidity sweep, break a structure, fair value gap, and we got a nice rejection wick. Right, so price should, even though we took out the liquidity to the downside, we just got a daily time frame A plus setup to short. So we gonna short this. There we go. Hey, there we go. All right. So that's what we're going to do. That's the motive. Let's see if temptation gets Naz. Yeah. What are we doing, Stub Family? Sylvia, did you see that? Oh, no. Sylvia's going to judge me. Maybe we should just watch TikToks on stream. You guys down to do that? So, Nasdaq, if I included a TikTok section of the call, would you guys like that? Okay. So, okay, previous day high, previous day low. So what is this signifying? This is signifying bearish structure being broken to the downside. We're in a weekly fair value gap, and on top of that, we got double confirmation for hitting a daily imbalance, and then we short the market, right? So this is what we're gonna have. Our A plus setup, we have it. Every criteria has just been met, and there's no daily imbalances in a premium of the range, but this is the only imbalance we have. So again, we called out the market perfectly last week on gold. I assume we'll do it again this week. Nasdaq looks like it's just going to trend higher. But we'll get some sort of retracement. That's what NFP is for. So gold, I'm liking. Nasdaq, I'm liking. Let's take a look at oil. We haven't taken a look at it in a while. What did I say? Oh my gosh, guys. I can't. I'm officially. So I've been doing experiments on Nasdaq. Not like anything crazy, but I've just been focused on it, and it's been really good. I've been trading personal accounts, and you guys see like a lot of my trades that I haven't had the chance to send them out. And the reason why I'm not, and why I've kind of slowed down a bit with sending signals, which will change now, but is because I was doing like an experiment with just that asset, testing some things and a new strategy as well that I want to implement into the education soon. So it's been working really well, but it needed to just be Nasdaq. I didn't want to have any distractions, but starting next week I will be trading gold again. So if you guys have been missing those gold signals that are like crazy, like 300-400 pip kind of things, 200 pips, we're gonna get back to that. So this daily BPR just got tapped into. Now we technically got another BPR, right? The bearish one with this bullish one. That's super bullish, guys. Insanely. So we're just going to keep trending higher. So daily fair value gap, but this is long. So we're going to go higher and higher. We inverted these dailies. So, yep. Now we move long. And price just hit another BPR. And now this serves as a strong bull signal for us to take advantage of. And we got low resistance liquidity now. That's what the best part about this is. We got liquidity resting up above here, right? So that's our target. These are target areas. And what does price do, guys? Price moves towards areas of imbalance and liquidity, right? So that's what we want to look at. So we got one, we got two, and we got a third one, which is the all-time high over here. 3. There we go. Oh my gosh, we're cooking. This is the best I've felt all day. I'm like, getting on the charts just resurrects me. Okay, so oil, gold, Nasdaq. I'm bullish on all of them. Wait, is this oil? Yeah, oil's gonna slap. I'm trading commodities again next week. I don't care. Market closed right when I would just place the short. I know, right? It's insane. This is what we got. So bullish on all of them. Actually, no, sorry. Shorting gold, but bullish on oil. Okay, cool. Let's do Bitcoin. What's Bitcoin saying? What did I say? Bullish until at least 50% of the weekly imbalance. Continuous bullish closures are good for price right now. That's what I said. And that was what day? Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Friday. Yeah, that was last week actually. So yeah, we did go bullish from there. I still think we're gonna go there. We got 2 days left, and this is a strong rejection week, so we should be closing higher. But there's no real good bullish structure here. I'm just gonna keep this bias. I don't have anything different to say. We're just probably gonna keep pushing price higher on Bitcoin. So I'm bullish on that as well. Quick and easy. Let's do a forex pair. Let's show some love to forex for a sec. And we'll do, guys, which forex pair do you want? This will be my last one of the session today. And then we can do some other stuff. What do you guys want to look at? Let me know if you got love for any forex. Let's see what you guys say. Interesting. What'd you guys say? Just finished work? Guys, drop down a forex pair. I wanna chart up a forex thing. Oh my gosh. There's so many bad strategies in trading is actually insane. Like the amount of things I see on my timeline. You check, baby EJ. No love for any forex pairs. Damn, I know, right? The the crowd went mild when I said let's chart up forex. That's crazy. You check UJ, S&P instead. Euro, S&P and Nasdaq are like the same though. That's the thing. Euro USD or USD CAD. We'll do UJ just to make Michelle happy. Oh my. Oh my god. What happened to yo? Last time I did a thing was like weeks ago. So anything I marked out here is irrelevant. This is really old. Damn. Holy. Previous week, what the heck? I mean, the only way for us to go next couple of days is up to fill this imbalance. It's too freaking big. That is a rejection wick if I've ever seen one. That's insane. Weekly liquidity sweep inside of a fair value gap near all-time highs. Another liquidity sweep, break structure to the downside, rejects out of a bullish weekly imbalance and another weekly imbalance sitting below and a weekly order block. Oh my goodness, what is this? This is giving like I'm bullish on this, but like it's low-key a trap. Because like I don't know if we should go down from this daily imbalance or if we should be buying into it. So you should never really be buying into this. You should be waiting to see the reaction. But this is just hilarious. The weekly rejection candle is so strong that I have to say with confidence that this next week will be like a really crap week. It'll just be bullish, but like ever so slightly. I'm expecting a midweek but bullish week to fill the daily fair value gap that we see. Depending, the reaction will determine what we do moving forward. So I'm not bullish or bearish on this. We got to see because the daily time frame is super bearish. The weekly time frame is like hella bullish, right? So we got the weekly respecting stuff. We got the daily respecting stuff. Yeah, just one of those things. That's nuts. This is the most indecisive move UJ did to me, like giving situations. That's true. Michelle's la toxica. She likes her relationship with UJ too much. Did I ever show you guys a picture of what UJ actually looks like? Did I ever show you guys? Wait, hold on. Let me show you. There we go. This is Michelle's man. crazy work. In Poco Look. Yeah, I'd play that song right now if it didn't get my YouTube banned. Yeah, this is it. This is UJ. This is what UJ used to be. This is how UJ used to look like. It's a good looking. Wait, it's not, I actually can't even say that. This guy's not even Japanese. He's Korean. Tell me this. Is this? Ah, okay. So this is UJ. The sensei over here. This is him. Makes sense. You should play it on the guitar instead. I wish I knew how to play it. What a stereotyped comment. Like, she just called me Mexican. This is actually insane. She called me Mexican, so I might as well play into it and just put the currency. Is this what you're saying I look like? Are you for real? I don't want to hear it either. I don't want to hear it. If you say I look like this, terminated. Gone. I know someone's holding in their laughter right now. I know someone's like, you know what? This kind of looks like him. Just a little bit, you know? Similar mustache. Maybe the eyes are similar. Megan would probably say the cheekbones. Yeah, I'm cooked. Let's just not do this. Aren't you Mexican? This is ridiculous. I'm just trying to chart up and give you guys free value. Is there anyone that's not in Champions? Can we cancel Champions Academy? They're actually toxic. They're actually toxic AF. I need some new people in here that will appreciate me. When I'm hopping on with the sniffles, doing all this extra work, and I'm just getting called Mexican. This is ridiculous. You know, he was the black agent in G.I. Joe, the younger UJ guy. Really? He was black? Oh, like the samurai in Black Ops. I'm like, hold on. How is he black? This is kind of crazy. You just need the traditional headdress. Yeah? Yo, Daniel. What are you doing here, fam? Daniel's 1548. Coco Silk. Ain't no way they called it Coco Silk. Yo, this is crazy. I'm full porting longs on this. The reviews are climbing. Select top grade polyester set. Okay. Happy Cinco de Mayo, Christian. I'm done. Dude, Durag activated my American mode. This is the Ghanaian. This is who Kojo is. This was Kojo before Toronto. Before Brampton, I should say. This will be Kojo when he retires from trading. Is Idris Elba from Ghana? Damn. I didn't know that. Miss me with this. Y'all really saying this is me? Who is this, Megan? This is what happened, huh? Whose man is this? Okay, I'm done. Let's run this back one more time. Oh, this is the real.
Somebody prayed for Pastor and he fell into temptation like
Yo, I never seen that angle. I think that's the real angle. The reaction is what kills me the most. The guy on the organ had to do the cartoon sound effect for like literally no reason. Daniel, why are you acting like nationalities are transformations in an anime? Durag activated is me. Shiesty activated is my. Oh my gosh, bro, saying some weeb stuff. This is crazy. Good lord. Somebody pray for Pastor. Yeah. All right, guys. Good session today. I hope you enjoyed it. That was our bias for every single asset that we looked at. So if you guys use that in next week's trading, you should make some money. And we're going to look at commodities because it's been too many weeks where I've been saying I'm going to. But yeah, I'm officially done. So. Yo, Coolio. Coolio's out of pocket right now. My guy said Auga. Crazy. This guy's crazy. All right, guys. Good chatting with you. I hope everyone has an amazing session. And yeah, have an amazing weekend, guys. Enjoy the weather. It's getting better. I can't complain. But yeah, that's it. All right, guys. If you missed it for whatever reason, feel free to watch the replay. It'll be uploaded immediately. And so any questions you guys have, if you're in the community, feel free to drop them in the chat. And yeah, that's about it. All right, guys. As always, hop on every single week for good vibes and charting.